Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I had a lot of mail that came in to me over the last, I would say 3 weeks, and I had some free time today, so I thought instead of waiting for my next Flosstube video or my next crochet video, that I would go ahead and do a mail call video today, so that I wouldn't have to wait. I'm really excited to use some of the stuff that I received, and I want to go ahead and do a video and show what I got, and to thank everybody and for everything that was sent to me. Also, at the end of this video, if this is something that you would like for me to do, would like to see more of, then I can do separate videos like this, and then just do my Flosstube and crochet videos as normal. So you can let me know that in the comments down below. I would appreciate that. Okay, first thing that I want to show is I had won a giveaway from Cindy's Cross Stitch, and what I won was a Dimensions Rose Cuttings kit. Pretty, I love it, and I cannot wait to do it. And here's everything, comes with everything, and it's 14 count ivory Ada. Very pretty, so I won that. Thank you so much for the giveaway, Cindy. The next thing that I got was from Julicious, or Julia. She sent this to me for my birthday. And first off, to start out, she sent me some stickers with the paw prints and the cat and dog stickers. And I do scrapbooking, and I have a lot of animal photos, so these are definitely going to come in handy. She also sent me yarn from Knit Picks. It's stroll fingering, and it is Blue Yonder Tonelle, 73% superwash merino wool, 25% nylon. Isn't that pretty? My favorite colors. These are all of my favorite colors right here. So pretty. Love it. It's so soft. And this is my first experience with Knit Picks, so I'm really excited about that. And the last thing that she sent me was fabric from Under the Sea Fabrics. The color is Shimmering Azure. It's 14 count Ada. It's 13 by 17. Again, my favorite colors. So I have that. And then she sent me one more. If I can get into it, trying not to crinkle. This is from Under the Sea Fabrics. It is Chloris, 14 count Ada, 13 by 17. This is really pretty. Very pretty. And this will be my first experience with Under the Sea Fabrics as well. So I'm really excited to use all that. Thank you so much, Julia. I do appreciate the gifts, and thank you for thinking of me. I can't wait to use this. It's very exciting. And then I won a giveaway from the Proper Pineapple. She was doing a amigurumi cowl through the month of June, and I was one of the winners. There were 2 winners. So the prize was, I got a Lion brand, the cupcake yarn, and this is Pot of Gold. Very pretty. I've never used these, so all of this stuff's going to be just a total experience for me. And then I got, with the yarn, an amigurumi Pets, Make Cute Crochet Animals by Allison Hoffman. And I will do a review on this. I'm going to make a couple of things out of it. But it tells how to do heads. Like, see, there's the bulldog. So cute. So cute. And just, but yeah. Anyway, you get in the back right here, in the front. So, I will do a review for you guys on this book. Thank you so much, Holly. Appreciate it. Loved doing the amigurumis. And love the gifts. Thank you. And then I won from Carrie. She had a giveaway, and I got the luxury chart book. And this one has a lot of, like, the alphabets and stuff in them. So, thank you so much, Carrie. And then, Ginger Gerald was having a birthday palooza. And the Saturday before his birthday, he went on live on YouTube. And he did several different things for giveaways. And I won one of the things that he had did. And it was, I think the question was, who won the miniature golf game? Was one of them. Was it him, his mom, or his brother? And who was the... what was the name of the dog or something like that that came to visit with his mom and brother? So I had put Mom and Colby. Well, that was the answer. So what I had won for that, he has sent where I can get the floss at, the Nimble Needle, and then he sent me his card for Etsy. But I won the Planet Fiber Earth, or Planet Earth Fiber, probably. Yeah, Planet Earth Fiber. But yeah, I won the silks. They're silks. They're red, white, yellow or goldish, and blue. So that's what I won. Very excited to use these. He mentioned that he had a pattern coming out that he had used these on. So I am thinking that I will probably get that pattern and use these on that, just to become familiar with them. I've never used these, so that's probably what I will be doing with that. So thank you so much for the giveaway, Gerald. I really enjoyed following your birthday palooza. It was a lot of fun. And then I received a subscription to Just Cross Stitch magazine. And I did not get the subscription. Somebody got this for me. I would like to thank whoever did this. It was very thoughtful for you to do this. I do enjoy this magazine. I've already found several things in this one that I like a whole lot. But I would like to do a proper thank you, so if you are willing to let me know who you are, I would appreciate it so that I could actually thank you. But if not, if you don't, I understand. Whoever you are, thank you very much. It was thoughtful, very kind and considerate, and I think there are several patterns in here that I will definitely be using. So thank you so much. And the last thing that I want to show is I had got a message from one of my subscribers, and I did not ask her if I could share her name, so I'm not going to. But she sent me, she was like destashing, and so she sent me some stuff. She sent me a whole bunch of crochet books that were called Work Basket. Very old work publications. My mom took those, so I don't have those. But I'm going to show you some of the cross stitch that she sent me. She sent me a Jiffy counted cross stitch. My son has claimed, well, he hasn't claimed it. He said he liked it very much. He already told me he wanted the blue hat black and the red on the thing black. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be another Christmas present for my son. When he tells me he likes something, I make it for him. So I got that, and I got a stamped cross stitch kit. She just has the patterns for me on those, but that's fine. This is Charted Alphabets for Boys and Girls. Publication Leisure Arts. She has a stitch and zip. It can be an iPhone case or a sunglass holder. And these are some more that she just has everything behind them, just the patterns. And Keepsake 2018 cross stitch calendar, and this is some of the stuff that's in there. She sent me a quilted baby bib, which I think I will be passing on. But she sent me one of those. And then she sent me some nursery things to go with the bib. And then she sent me Cricut Collection 153 Thanksgiving Circle and Crafter's Guide to Homemade Christmas, just different Christmas crafts. And then one more. It says Stitchables, Learn Counted Cross Stitch, Home is Love. So, got all that from Tammy, which I wasn't supposed to say her name and I just did. I don't think she'll mind. But anyway, that was over the last like 3 weeks or so. So I just thought I would come on and go ahead and do that and have all that out of the way for so I wouldn't have to do it on my next cross stitch or crochet videos. So anyway, thank all of you so much for all the gifts, for all the generosity, love, and support. Appreciate all of you so much. If you like to have these mail call videos like this, please let me know. And when I get enough stuff built up, then I can do them that way. If you don't, if you'd prefer me to do them in my videos, let me know. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you on my next video.